Hello everybody, hope you're all doing well. This is Soshiance with another tutorial. In this video I'm showing you how to configure DHCP on your router. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, which lets you to automatically assign the IP address to your end devices. I have already designed the diagram and I have assigned this IP address 192.168.1.1/24 for this router port, and I have assigned 192.168.1.2 for our server. We have one server here. Now I'm going to this router and I'm going to configure the DHCP. So our end devices which I have connected to this switch will get IP address automatically. I'm just going to global configuration mode. First of all, in order to create DHCP, I need to create a pool. I'm typing IP DHCP. I need to create a pool, and I'm giving a pool name P1, for example. And now I'm specifying the range network 192.168.1.0, and is asking for the network mask, which is 255.255.255.0. And next step is to specify the default router, which is the default gateway. This IP address 192.168.1.1, and it's all. And you need to specify the DNS server as well. Well, I'm using the global DNS server 8.8.8. That's okay. And just let's save it and exit it. And now some of the IP addresses which I have already used, for example this one 192.168.1.1, and also this one. So or maybe some other IP addresses that we don't want the DHCP use them. Maybe we need that for our server, which we have one, and maybe for our printer we have another server. So we should exclude those IP addresses. Then we can type IP DHCP exclude address, and the range is 192.168.1.1. It's the beginning, for example, up to 192.168.1. Let's say 5. It can be, yeah, okay. This is the IP address, like 5 IP addresses we excluded. These 5 IP addresses will not be assigned to our end devices. And let's save it and end. Now if I type show IP DHCP binding, still none of our devices receive the IP through DHCP. Now if I go to this device, this PC, and I'm going to desktop and IP, if I click DHCP, it's requesting for DHCP. Yeah, DHCP request successful. You can see the IP address is 192.168.1.6. It is starting from 6. Why? Because we just excluded the IP addresses from 1 to 5, and this is the subnet mask 255.255.255. We didn't submitted the IP address, and this is the default gateway which we have configured 192.168.1.1, and this is the DNS server we configured. So and I'm going to this device, PC number 2. Again, I'm going to desktop IP configuration, and I'm clicking on DHCP. Yes, this is the second IP address, which is 192.168.1.7, and this is the subnet mask, the default gateway, and the DNS server. Now if I ping from this PC to our default gateway, ping 192.168.1.1, I'm receiving the reply. But now if I go to server, you can see I have assigned IP address statically 192.168.1.1. So if I ping from server, all the devices surely I'm going to receive the reply. So if I ping 192.168.1.1. If I ping one of those pieces 1.7, we are receiving reply. Okay, thank you very much, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment below if there is any issue, and don't forget to like it as well. You can find me on Fiverr, on Facebook. I'm providing some services on Fiverr. You can go and you can check it out, and you can place your orders if you have, such as for example, if you need your website to be designed, and designing responsive websites and just developing some applications. You can go to Fiverr and you can check my gigs, and you can place your order if you have. Also, you can find me on Steamate. I'm just posting some blog posts on Steamate, and you can just upload and you can follow me on Steamate. On Steamate, if you create an account, you will receive for uploading, for liking, for subscribing, you will receive a kind of Steam, which is a kind of cryptocurrency, and later on you can exchange that to US dollar or to maybe Bitcoin or to any other cryptocurrencies. So have a great day ahead, and thank you very much. Bye bye.